My dear children of class 10, your pre-test exams are over. I hope you all have done well and you have given the exam in three forms: objective, subjective and oral also. So now let's do some project work for your internal formative assessment 2020. You have to do only one project work here in the subject of mathematics. Your selected text is chapter 4, rectangular parallelepiped or cuboid. Topic is total surface area, volume and length of diagonal of a cuboid. Method is model making. Title is making a model of a cuboid to study its dimensions and related formulae. Your assignment is number 1, draw a figure of cuboid and write what is a cuboid. Number 2, write the number of surfaces, number of edges and number of vertices of a cuboid. Number 3, write the name of 4 cuboidal shaped solid objects in our surroundings. Then next is you have to make a model of a cuboid, measure its dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, and write them. Then with these dimensions you have to find the total surface area, volume and length of its diagonal. Now what are the materials required? The materials required will be mound board, colored paper, sellotape, glue, scale, pencils, etc. Whatever is required you can take. Now on the first page you have to write internal formative assessment 2020, your name of the subject, selected text, topic, method and title, as I have told you in the previous slide. Next you have to write your name, class, section, roll number. Now on the second page is for your introduction of your assignment. First you have to write what is a cuboid and draw the figure of the cuboid. And also you have to write the names of 4 cuboidal shaped solid objects in our surroundings. From your surroundings around you, whatever you find, from there you give examples of cuboidal shaped objects. Next, procedure. You have to write the procedure, how you are making the model of the cuboid. Now the cuboid you may not make a box, you can make it like a pencil box or a gift box to gift your friend. You can make that box in shape of a cuboid. Then you have to measure its dimensions also. In the procedure you have to write the steps how you are making the cuboid, like you're taking the mound board, measuring the length, breadth, taking some length, breadth and cutting it, the sides of the cuboid you're cutting, then you're joining with the help of sellotape, then you're covering with colored paper. All these steps you have to write here. Now fourth page you'll write the observation. After making the cuboid and then covering with colored paper, you have to measure the length of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid and height. Also you have to draw the figure I have shown you here, and you have to write the length, breadth and height, and also how many surfaces, how many edges and how many vertices are there in your cuboid which you have made. Next, on the fifth page you have to do the calculation. With the dimensions which are found out, that is length, breadth and height, you have to find the total surface area, volume and length of the diagonal as I have shown you in the figure. Also you can refer to your textbook, and using the formula of cuboid you have to find the value of total surface area, volume and length of the diagonal of the cuboid which you have made. Finally, you have to write the conclusion. Next page will be blank. Last page, you should keep it blank. Only you have to write teacher's signature and parent's signature. Make space for them to do the signature. On last page you will not write anything, only you have to write this. I hope you have understood the project, how you have to do. Thank you.